in this video we are just going to do exercises for separable. So the first one you can find out, we have dy over dx equal to y over 2x. Let's find how we can do this. So as the separable, let's do this equation equal to 2x. We are just going to do this equation and then we separate each with its variable. Dy over y is equal to dx over 2x, and then we integrate for both sides. This will be equal to ln y, and here it will be equal to 1 over 2 ln x plus c, and then we get here ln y equal to 1 ln x power 1 over 2 plus, here we can just put ln in order to get a good property, and then we get ln c, so that here we can get ln y equal to ln x 1 over power 1 over 2 times c, because ln a plus ln b is equal to ln a times b, and then we can get that as we have for both sides ln, and then we can remove it, and then we get y equal to x power 1 over 2 times c. Hence we get the solution. Let's do another example, which is dx dy over dx is equal to 3y negative 1 over x, and then here we can also separate dy over 3y negative 1 is equal to dx over x. We integrate for both sides, hence here we get, here as we know, we have just to find, first to remove it, and then we get dy over 3y negative 1 over 3 integral is equal to ln x plus c. Then here you can get also 1 over 3 dy over y negative 1 over 3 equal to ln x plus c. So here we continue, and then we get 1 over 3 ln here y negative 1 over 3, which is equal to ln x, and then here we can put ln c, because nothing will change on this side. Then we can multiply these 3 on this side. Ln y negative 1 over 3 is equal to 3 ln x plus 3 ln c. Hence this will give us ln y negative 1 over 3 equal to ln x power 3 plus ln c power 3. Now we can get ln y negative 1 over 3 equal to ln x power 3 times c power 3. Here also it will give us this equation, y negative 1 over 3 is equal to x power 3 times c power 3. Y is equal to x power 3. We can just put like this, power 3 plus 1 over 3, and then hence we get the solution. The last one, it is dy over dx is equal to x squared over y squared, and then to separate this we can just use cross product, and then we get y squared dx dy is equal to x squared dx. And then integrate for both sides, hence we get y power 3, y power 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. And then here we get y power 3 over 3 is equal to x power 3 over 3 plus c. And we put these 3 on this side, and then we get y power 3 is equal to, if we multiply here, we will remain with x power 3 plus 3c. Then also we get the solution. We are going to solve the following linear equation. So to find the linear equation, we have to remember some formulas that we use. Here there is ix, we need just to use, which will simplify our equation, which is equal to this formula. And then we have just to use also y equal to ix times integral of e integral px dx fx plus constant. And then this formula will give us solution. Here plus times dx plus constant. Okay, so we are going just to do the exercise how we will just get the solution. Let's do first one, and then to show us that there we have dx over dy over dx negative 2y over x is equal to x squared. So we have just to use some formula. We remember that px, it will be equal to negative 2 over x, because it is multiplied on the variable y. And then fx is equal to x squared. So we have to find ix in order to put in our equation, and then we replace it with the value we have get. Negative px, we have get that is equal to negative 2 over x dx. And then here we get e power negative became plus, then 2 come out, and then we remain with dx over x. Then here it is equal to e power 2 ln x. Then we get also e ln x squared. These 2 come up here, then became power, then we remain with x squared, because we know that e ln a will be equal to 8. It means this x squared take this value. So we are going to put in our equation y is equal to x squared bracket integral e integral px is equal to negative 2 over x dx times fx. We have seen that is equal to x squared, and then plus constant. Then we get x squared integral of e power negative 2 integral dx over x, here times x squared plus c. Then we get integral of ln x e power negative 2 ln x from this, and then times x squared plus c. Just have to continue our equation, but here we get something dx, and then we get the equation like this: x squared bracket integral of e power ln x power negative 2. This negative 2 come as the power, then times x squared dx plus c. Here to be equal to x squared ln, this will give us x power negative 2 times x power 2 dx integral plus c. Then remaining with this will give us x square integral of this will give us x power 0 dx plus c, and then hence we get x, and then this we know that it is x power 0 plus 1 over 1 plus c, and the answer is x power 2 times x plus x square times c, which is equal to x power 3 plus x square times c. And then this is solution. Do another example. Here we have this equation, and then we can just use the value to find our answer. So let's use this px equal to 2 over x, and then we have fx equal to 1 over x square, and we can find ix is equal to e power px dx, and then we place the value e power negative integral of px 2 over x dx, then hence we get e power negative 2 integral of dx over x, remain with e power negative 2 ln x. Then we can here get that e power negative, let's take this negative 2 as the power here, and then we take ln x power negative 2, and then the answer will be x negative 2. And then follow I x. Then y will be equal to x power negative 2 integral of e power px is equal to 2 over x dx times fx, which is equal to 1 over x square plus c. Here there is dx. Then how to do this? We remain with y equal to, this can be written like this, 1 over x square, and then we multiply with integral of e power 2 integral of dx over x times 1 over x square dx plus c. Hence we get y equal to 1 over x square times integral of e power 2 ln x, as we are seeing that this will give us ln x times 1 over x square dx plus c. Now we get 1 over x square times integral of this will give us e power ln x square times 1 over x square dx plus c. We remain with 1 over x square integral this will give us x square as we have seen, and then 1 over x square dx plus c. Then this we will simplify it. We remain with 1, and then the equation will be equal to 1 over x square bracket integral of dx plus c. And then the equation is equal to 1 over x square integral of dx is equal to x plus c. Y is equal to, and then if we multiply this, it will give us 1 over x plus c over x squared. Then this is the solution. We're going to solve the initial value problem. If we are given just the equation like this, we have first to find the function, and then after we can replace the value, and then we get the particular solution. So let's find out how we can do this. We know that if you have dy over dx plus 10y is equal to 1, we can write like this. We have y derivative plus p function of t, y is equal to ft. And then we can compare this to this. We can say pt is equal to 10, and then ft is equal to 1. We use t because we know that the function is t. So let's find how we can just get the real solution. We can use also it, as we know that it is equal to e power negative pt dt, and then it's equal to e power negative 10 dt, and then it will be equal to 10 t. And then we are going to find y. Y will be equal to e power negative 10t times integral of e power integral 10t times fx. We have seen that is 1 times dt plus a constant. Then this will give us 10t times bracket integral of e. This we know that it is dt, and then the integral of 10 dt will be equal to 10t times 1 dt plus c. Then this will give us solution equal to, it will give us 10t negative times, here we have the integral of 10t power e, and then we know that the derivative, we can use this equation, e power nt derivative integral is equal to e power nt over n. If we can use here, if we can use this equation, we will get that it is e power 10t over 10 plus c. Then you can multiply this into this, and then you get e power negative 10 times e power 10t over 10 times plus c times e power negative 10. Then we get that y is equal to, here we can just, because it is the same base, we can increase the power. We can first add this power, and then we get e power 0 over 10 plus c times e power negative 10. Y is equal to 1 over 10 plus c. This, there is negative, we can put down, and then we get e power 10. And then this is the y. And then we have given that this is y function of time. And then y, when we have the time equal to 1 over 10, the equation was equal to 2 over 10. And then how you can just use in this equation, we will say that y, when the t is equal to 1 over 10, 1 over 10, we can just replace the value, and then we get c e power 10 into bracket 1 over 10, and then this will be equal to 2 over 10. What will be the answer? We will find this c as the constant, and then we get that 10 over 1 over 10 plus c over this, it will be just simplified, and then we get e over c over e is equal to 2 over 10. And then we will take this side, and then we get c over e is equal to 2 over 10 negative 1 over 10. C over e is equal to 1 over 10, and then c is equal to e over 10. And then we can take this, and then we plug in our first equation. So the equation will be equal to 10 over 1 over 10 plus c. C we have get its value, e over 10 times e power 10t, and then the particular solution we are asked, it is 1 over 10, and just put out 1 over 10, then we get 1 plus e power, here it comes up, then here there is 1, we can say that it is 1 negative 10t, and then this is our particular solution we are asked.